So currently I'm going to stamp my passport with Machu Picchu. So they do it here. So like you have a proof you went to Machu Picchu. So trying to find it. Let's do it. On my way down there. This is the town of Aguas Calientes. So I'm headed there now. People are around. This is it. So I'm here stamping the passports.
This kangaroo.
Yeah, gracias.
Okay, so you can.
This is the bus. Stop raining now. Aguas Calientes. This is the river, and it has been storm. There's been avalanche. It's been snowing around. It's been a crazy weekend, honestly here. So this is our hostel. Stay day 4 night here. Day 5 long morning. So, going for a massage now, have some free time, just checking out the town and having a massage now. The massages were 80 soles, really needed, and there were a few more, maybe cheaper, but this one looked like a legit massage. So I'm here taking the massage. Just had the best massage of my life because it was so much pain too, but she was really good. I gave her $25. That was including tip, so that was really good. Feels very nice. And yeah, now we have our lunch at 12:30. It's almost 12 o'clock now, so going to the hostel, picking up my jacket, and want to try some food here too. All the shops here. So just bought myself an Machu Picchu alpaca t-shirt. Looked really cool. It was 25 soles. It was nice. I liked it, and the lady had a child, so I felt good to support her. So, and she was like working with her like a newborn baby. Okay. But turquesa is from Brazil or here?
It's from Peru. We have in Peru, but
Okay.
in Brazil have a lot of.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So I bought a rose quartz. Rose quartz I bought from Miranda. It's paying her 74 soles.
No, not so fun.
No.
No.
Buenos días.
Malaysia, as you showed at the beginning as well, not to distract countries, my country. Thank you so much to choose certain bakery to do this kind of trip. This is one of the ways for me how we can help the people to the north. No? I'm so happy we saw Machu Picchu. Of course, it was a little bit cold, but we made it. No? So you must be proud of yourself, guys, because you crossed 2 mountains in one trip in the Andes of Peru, which is not very easy to do it. No?
Alpaca
This one
sandwich.
I quite generally liked a lot. So.
This looks really good. This is the train station. The same in every country though. People trying to rush boarding. And the train now. Head back to Cusco.
Prohibido fumar al interior del coche. El servicio higiénico está ubicado